As today's sophisticated shoppers increasingly elude the grasp of traditional mass market strategies, consumer goods companies seek to gain a competitive edge with innovative design that also ensures premium margins. New ideas for quickly realizing the style designers have in mind are a key differentiator for increasing brand value. Based on subdivision surfaces technology, the new Imagine and Shape V5 application combines the intuitive use of clay modeling with production-ready precision to bring ideas to life. With Imagine and Shape, even stylists who are not familiar with 3D digital design easily convey the emotional content of their concept into a high-quality 3D shape usable by downstream engineering applications. The designer simply fashions a virtual ball of clay by pushing, pulling, and twisting its edges and faces to quickly arrive at the style he has in mind. High-tech tools then confirm the quality of the concept before photorealistic rendering applications bring it to life for marketing approval. Indeed, in a saturated marketplace where products compete for consumers' attention and budget, only a clear, consistent, and compelling design can make a new coffee maker stand out from the crowd. While designers care mainly about sales appeal and brand impact, engineers have to transform the approved concept into a manufactured product in the shortest amount of time. To reduce this time to market, V5 Functional Design, a new design paradigm, allows the functional and manufacturing specifications to drive the creation of 3D models for improved productivity. With V5 Functional Design, function replaces sheer geometrical considerations so that engineers can focus on a design's functional requirements before committing to the model geometry. In this coffee maker example, the engineer feeds the internal parts definition into the system so that all subsequent operations automatically take them into account for faster results. Add powerful industry-oriented behaviors, and you get the recipe for a dramatic boost in productivity. Bringing engineering and business perspectives together, the new 3D XML standard allows marketing departments to extend the benefits of the 3D vision to their customers and prospects, even before production begins. With Dassault Systems PLM solutions, consumer goods manufacturers achieve the dual goal of trend setting with creative style and boosting their productivity from concept to production and marketing.